You have likely heard the term pro rata in finance, but what does it actually mean? It is essentially a fancy way of saying proportionally. The term comes from Latin and translates to in proportion. It is how we distribute an amount based on the size of each share. Whether you are dealing with dividends, interest, or business ownership, pro rata ensures that the total distribution is divided fairly based on ownership size. You will see this everywhere from dividend payments to insurance premiums. It is the standard way to adjust values when time or ownership stakes change. Most people think a flat fee is easiest, but understanding pro rata could actually save you money and keep things fair when terms change. If a company pays out $1,000 in dividends, a pro rata split ensures each investor gets their exact percentage of the total pool. Remember that pro rata is about alignment. It ensures that both rewards and responsibilities are tethered directly to the size of your contribution. Understanding these basic terms helps you make better sense of your statements. Save this video for later and subscribe for more bite-sized finance.